I'm going to fit an RS485 option board to a West P6100 controller. Just take it out of its housing like that, and you want option A. It's at the front there. It's comms option PA1W06 and the order code is 1. So slot it in there like that. Find a little groove there. Okay, be careful of ribbon cable as always. All clicks in and back in the housing. There we are.
We've placed the controller in the panel and powered it up. If I go into the configuration menu, here we have the parameter settings for input and range and so on. If I go all the way through, I will now come across parameters for the RS485 communication. Protocol Modbus, baud rate, the address, and comms write or read write. If we go into the controller info menu, we'll see it shows up as option A, R485. So it shows that the board is automatically detected.